my channel, and welcome back for my viewers that decided to come back and listen to me again. In today's video, I decided to do a review on the new Nars Soft Matte Foundation. Yeah, I was really excited when this foundation came out. For those of you that care, I tried their other foundations and it just did not work for me. It was a fail. Once I saw they were coming out with a matte foundation, I was like, oh, okay, this might actually work. This might actually be the one for me. But I also decided to do like a new series here, which is Battle of the Matte Foundations, which means I'm going to be trying out different matte foundations, and I'm going to do like a full wear test and see how they hold up, what kind of long wear they have, and if it can, you know, withstand my face and milk of magnesia. Also, I just have to say that I filmed this video. This is my third time filming this video. And so I already know how I feel about the foundation, but it's just I don't know why the universe was just going against me when it comes to this video, but third time's a charm because this better work, and I will kick someone's ass if it doesn't. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let's get right into this review. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. As you guys can see, I did my brows. I got milk of magnesia on my face. I'm not ashy. And did I say I primed? Because I primed and I did my brows. If you guys want to know, my brows is Anastasia brow is dark brown, and the Fenty Pro filter is on my face, and of course milk of magnesia. So now we finna get into the Nars foundation. So I just have to say this right now. This is my third time doing this video. My third time. The first time I did this, I hated it. It was just, I wasn't feeling it. The second time I did it, so I have a microphone now. Hopefully my quality of sound is way better now. And there's an app that comes with the microphone, so I decided to use that, and I filmed, and when I went to save it, it's gone. Disappeared. It's some error came up, and that video is nowhere to be found. So to say that I was crying inside, I can't. So I'm doing this again for the third time. Third time's a charm, hopefully. And I'm not even using that app. Like, we're not even gonna do this. So I just wanted to let you guys know that because I already know how I feel about this foundation. This shade is not my shade too. You guys aren't even gonna realize it because I've got this jumpsuit on, but the undertone is a little off, and I should have went with my usual shade. I had the shade Maria, by the way. My usual shade is Tahoe. For some reason I decided to get this one. I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker because at the time I was tan. I still kind of am tan, but it's just my arms that are still. Anyways, I've been talking too much. I should have said this in my intro, but I'm telling you now. So we're gonna get into the foundation. I'm gonna actually read just some facts about the foundation, just so you guys know. Okay, on the box it says, the new take on matte. Comfortable 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, true color oxidation resistant, transfer proof, shine proof. And for normal, combination, and oily skin types, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. Also, it has instructions that says, instructions for use: apply a small amount starting in the center of the face and blend outwards. When I apply it, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do my usual ... blend, you know. So the foundation, it's a squeezy tube, which we love foundations that come with squeezy tubes or pumps, because I don't have time to be pouring out too much. Like, who wants to do that? But yeah, it's a squeezy tube. It's actually really cute. It's like a mattified bottle. But it's $40, and it comes in 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. It's full coverage and a matte finish. Oh, and there's also 34 shades. And there's a section here that says what else you need to know. So it says, discover a comfortable 16-hour wear, oxidation resistant, transfer resistant, sweat proof, microalgae and bio-hyaluronic acid balance, excess sebum while keeping skin hydrated and help protect skin from pollution and blue light damage. Okay. Unique oil absorbing powders create a smooth second skin finish. So I'm just gonna put it like on the back of my hands and do, that should be enough. So I did like about that much. Oh, so usually I have Milk of Magnesia just on my nose. I decided to put it on my chin. Like the product started to disappear. So I was curious to know, like if I put the Milk of Magnesia on my chin, if it would still have that disappearing effect. So that's why I look like this. Alright, so I'm just going to blend this out using the Morphe E44. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like so far. So not too bad. So I'm going to go in with concealer now. And I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I have the shade 330. Okay, so for my contour, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Rich Sands. So to blend out my contour, I'm gonna use a Fenty foundation brush. Yeah, just going in with the same contour for my nose. I'm just gonna blend out my contour a little bit more, but I'm gonna use this e.l.f. It's called like the Beautiful Bear blending brush, something like that. So now I'm gonna blend out my concealer, beauty blender. So I'm just going to take the side of the beauty blender and I'm just going to use that to blend out the concealer and the contour. Okay, so to set my under eyes, I'm going to use my little mixture of Sacha Buttercup and Coty Airspun. Okay, so to set my contour, I'm gonna use Physicians Formula. This is in the shade Endless Summer, my go-to. Yeah, so I'm gonna do eyeshadow. That's why I didn't set my eyes, my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with a Jaclyn Hill palette. You can't even see it, but yeah, it's dirty. Don't judge me. I'm literally only gonna use like 3 shades in here. It's not even gonna be like a real eyeshadow look. Yeah, so I did this eye off camera. It was like literally like 1, 2, 3. So I used this shade first. This is an e.l.f. crease brush and I just use it literally in the crease. I'm also going like above the crease area because I'm gonna put another shade there, but I still want this like yellow mustardy color to show. Okay, so with my Eco Tools, the double-ended brush, I'm actually using the shading side. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right in the middle. And I'm gonna go in the exact same spot, but this one I'm gonna go like right in the crease. Pat it in and then blend. So I'm gonna go back in with that e.l.f. shading brush, and I'm gonna go back with that yellow mustardy shade right on the top just to bring back that color, and also just blend it in. So now I'm gonna go in with this like bronze, it's not even bronze, it's like a, I don't even know how to describe it, but this shade right here. And I'm gonna put this shade all over the lid. I'm just gonna use my finger to do it. And that's it. So we're done with the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with mascara. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. And bang up my lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna powder my face, and I'm gonna use the Sephora Mircrosmooth, and this is the Morphe E58. Okay, so I'm gonna contour my nose with the Fenty bronzer, and I have the shade Caramel Cutie. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick and Rum. I always blend it on the back of my hand first. Okay, so for lips, I kind of want to do red, so I think it's because my hair and my background. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip liner, and this is in Hot Red. So my lipstick of choice is gonna be from MAC, and it's in the shade Lady Danger. So pretty. I'm not gonna set my face because I just want to see how it looks without setting spray. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. So okay, guys, so this is the final look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check in about, oh, the time is 2:20, so I'm gonna check in like around 6 o'clock and show you guys what my face is looking like, and then I'm gonna come back maybe around 10 o'clock the latest and give you my final thoughts on the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I already like it. I'm just gonna put that up there. I like it. I love how it leaves my face. It makes me look gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. But yeah, I shall be back and give you guys an update on the foundation. Okay guys, so it is now 6:51. Yes, and this is what my face is looking like. Look at that highlight though. So I don't know if you guys remember, I had makeup magnesia on my chin to help prevent like the disappearing of the foundation, and it looks like it's still holding on. So that part looks good. But yeah, I mean, I definitely have to get a different shade because this is just not my undertone at all. But I mean, it's holding up pretty well, and it's today is like so gross. It's been like misty outside and drizzling, and it definitely got on my face. So seeing how the weather is gross, my face is looking pretty good. Just zooming in for you guys to see. So I would check back in again probably around 10 o'clock and give you my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I am back for my final review. It is now 9:26. This is what we are looking like. So, as I stated from before, my only concern with this foundation, well, two, it's not my shade. I'm gonna go and get my right shade. Well, it's not the right undertone. But what I ended up doing this time around is I used Milk of Magnesia on my chin. As I noticed, the 2 times that I had the foundation on, it started to disappear on my chin. And as you guys can see, it did not move at all. It looks normal. So I thought that was pretty interesting how that didn't move at all. I thought maybe it had to do like with the weather, because literally every time I did this video it was like a misty, gloomy day. Today was the same thing. It was gross outside, and I ended up going outside. Well, obviously I had to work, but I went outside and my face actually got wet a little bit because like raindrops got on my head and whatever. But yeah, I'm actually happy and surprised that the primer worked. I guess maybe like my chin was getting oily or something, and that's why that was happening. But I mean, it's good to know that it didn't disappear this time. Yeah, so that's about it. That was my only concern about the foundation, aside from the fact that it's not the right undertone. I actually I'm in my PJs right now, so so you guys can actually see, like, it's not terrible, like it doesn't look that bad, but like when I'm in the bathroom or like in different lighting, I can see the difference. So that's just gonna bother me. So I'm just gonna go back to my usual shade and call it a day. But yeah, I really do like this foundation. It stayed put. I did say I was gonna keep it on until 10 o'clock, but I'm tired and I feel like a half hour, my face is not gonna change in a half hour. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this foundation. You guys will definitely see it again. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope if you were thinking about getting this foundation that this video helped you figure out what you're going to do, because I think it's worth the $40. I was actually surprised it was only $40. I feel like Nars is a little bit pricier. But yeah, I mean, if you think about it, $40 is kind of pricey. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm bougie and I got money out here, because I don't. So yeah, that's it guys, and thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know exactly when I upload. And until then, wash your hands and wear your mask. Stay safe, and until next time, mwah. Love you. Thank you for tuning in again. Bye.